Where is Rifaqat? Oh, don't use that. Try to sign in again. Start the steps again. Hey, Rifaqat. Welcome.
In my phone,
No, close the tab. Start the step again. Good afternoon, Rifaqat.
Good afternoon, sir.
Have you registered Microsoft Authenticator?
Yes, sir. From the phone. It is asking, sir. I'm logging last time.
Yeah. So have you registered it?
Yes, sir.
If you can't use the app right now, get a code different way. See to get a code different way. The last option.
The code is coming to my phone.
Get a code different way. Yeah, click on that. Send it to text.
It's coming. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a problem, sir, when I create applications, like when I'm playing and I put the data, so there is no showing. Like,
Okay. I'll come to that. Before that, Rifaqat, were you able to access recordings?
No, sir.
Can you share your screen and show me how you're trying to access it?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Okay, I get it. Copy that link.
Yes, sir.
Copy that link. Open in incognito or in private window.
One minute, sir.
No, use any other browser where you have not signed into your trial account. Any other browser, incognito tab.
Okay, sir. I will try this. Sir? Hello?
Yeah.
No, sir, it was asking me to sign in like this. Because incognito tab inside this one.
Okay. Show the recording page.
This one, sir. From day subject, if I click on the date, this one is coming.
No, I can't see it. It's not visible.
Sir?
Yeah, it's not visible. Your screen is not visible. You're sharing only one page, I guess.
1 minute, sir. That is the option. This is new one. Hello? Sir,
Yeah.
can you view my screen?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yep. I can see it.
Yes, sir. This is only total. No
It is
download option
unlimited
is
because you do not have full access. Contact the video again. Okay, go back to the student login page. Student details.
Yes, sir.
Scroll down. Scroll down. Take survey view result. The reason why by Flexi. Provide feedback by another course already. Important instruction for learning FAQs. Scroll up. Again, little bit scroll down. Scroll down a little bit. Again. Customer experience manager. Okay. Again, scroll down. There should be an option to raise an issue. Provide feedback. No important instruction by Flexi LET plus. No. Scroll up. And for all of them, you cannot download, or for specific? For all of them.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, I have your email. What I'll do is I'll forward it to that guy who is responsible for it, Manjeet. Yeah, right over there you see email address. He's on leave till 16th. So I'll see if somebody else is available to help us out, and I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Yes, Sumit, what's your issue?
Sir, when I am creating a applications form, sir, and after that, when I'm playing, then there is no showing like sir username, like I use phone numbers, passwords.
Share. What are you trying to do?
And Abhishek also like tried, sir, but didn't work, sir.
So what are you trying to do here? Explain. Are you using forms for it? Forms are used to save data or edit data. So if you will use forms, then it will save information.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
trying to save, sir. Like if I'm putting any data, sir, but then
Start again.
when, sir, I'm putting like data, sir, like names.
Yeah, show me the error.
Hello, sir. Hello. Yes, sir. He's just asking that while signing, suppose one button is there in that home page that is sign in. After clicking that sign in, it will be coming one form that will be stored. Means you have to enter the data and that will be stored in that in your table. But that form is not coming, sir. For storing the data means input the data. He wants to insert the data while playing that form is coming and he will insert the data then that will be stored in the table.
So he has to give a formula. When screen is visible, this should be a new form, right? So when the screen becomes visible, that's the property of the screen. On visible of screen, the formula would be new form and that form number 2. Sumit, do you have any desk?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Give me.
Two one zero.
Yeah.
277.
Yeah.
282.
Sir, from a button, if we try that new form and navigate to that form, then it will come, sir. My new form and navigate. Things are made.
Okay, that's working. Try now.
But sir, without navigate, why it is not coming? We also try that. Okay.
It will come when you play your app. I mean,
No, sir, when we create a button and that from that button we navigate and the new form, both we put in the formula, then it will come. Only on that screen, if new formula we put, but it is not coming in that case. Throw a button, it's coming. Navigate and the new form, but only new form, it's not coming.
it should come. Let me try it my end.
Okay.
And sir, for the sign purpose, this form is the recommended way or any other way?
For what exactly?
For the sign in purpose, means enter the data and it will store in the database. This form is the recommended way or any other way in the Power Apps?
No, the form is the recommended way. There are other ways that we learned that day was the patch function, but the form is the one which is very recommended. So that works. Anything else? Any questions? Any queries?
Sir, on that screen 2, can you play, sir, once it's coming or no? This screen 2, can you play?
Screen 2?
Yes, sir.
No, it won't come. I mean, it will not come in play mode, but if this is the first screen that you want in your app, right? And when a user uses it, it will surely come. So it will only come when you're when that screen is being displayed. If you will use it live, the user will be able to see them. Even though this is your first screen 2 is your home screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So suppose screen 2 is not there, only screen 1 is not there, only screen 2 is there, and here one edit form is there, then while playing it won't come.
Yeah, while playing it won't come, but if user will use it, it will come.
How?
For most of the cases,
button.
No, not by using button. If your app only has only has one screen, then we generally use this options. So in app, right, we do have app properties such as on start, on error. So we provide that formula on start. If only has one screen. So at the start, it will create a new form. We don't usually give it to screen if there is only one screen. If there are more than one screen, then we give that value to screen. Otherwise, we can give that value to app as well, which has on start properties. So you can also think about having variables as well as at the start of your application. If you want any variable to be declared, you can easily do it using them.
Hello, sir. Hello. Suppose, sir, there are two screens. The first screen contains the edit form, and the second screen is the home page. And after sign up that in that edit form, then only you will go to that home page. Then, in that way, this edit form is not coming. Suppose I am opening my application, then the first edit form is open. After submitting the details, it will go to the home page.
Yeah, if you have navigation such, it can go to home page. You are considering you have two screens, right? One home screen and one other screen. Yeah, so you can do that. You can use a back function. After submitting it, you can use a back function. Back function will take it back to the home page. Back is similar to navigate, and just that it will take you to the previous screen.
No, I'm just asking that not home page is not my first screen. The first screen is the sign up page where I can sign up, means provide the details by using that edit form. and after that it will be go to the home page.
So you only have one page. So how will it travel from a home page to home page?
No.
Right?
I have two screens. The
Okay.
screen one contains the form, and screen two contains the home page.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'm just asking that while I'm opening the application, then first screen two will open. The edit form is there. I have to give that user ID, mail
You
ID,
have to move.
password, address. After submitting that, it will be go to the home page.
So you want your home first screen to be screen 2. That's
Yeah.
what you want, right?
Yes, sir.
So you can have that property here configured. By default, it will be screen 1, but if you want anything to be by default, then you can go from here for sure. You need to define the screen property of it, the start screen property of application. By default, it will be screen 1, but if you want screen 2 be the home's first screen that user see, then you have to define that over here in the formula. I hope that answers your question.
Yeah, but after playing that, the screen to the edit form will be not coming.
Why? Why won't the edit
Yeah.
form come?
Yeah, it's not coming, sir. I'm just trying that, but it's not coming. That's why I'm just asking.
It's coming for me.
Sorry, we have to give on start action property.
Yeah, I said if you want it on first screen, then you have to give it on start. If it is on second or third screen after clicking to navigate, then it can be done on screen. Okay, any questions, any queries?
No, sir.
Can you share my screen, sir?
Sure.
Can you see my screen, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, this is my first screen. Oh, one button. But this form is not coming, sir.
Yeah, it won't come in play. Play mode won't come. Have you said on start?
On start on the action property.
Application property.
On start. Then, sir.
You fine? Save, publish, launch your app, it will come.
Okay. In the launcher app, it will become.
Yeah, it will come because it is starting from scratch from there, right?
Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Then get it, sir. How it's come. Thank you, sir.
What I want to say, in the model driven app, we don't have enough knowledge
Enough?
Enough ideas knowledge on model driven app, because one class is there happened. Trying to.
Sure. Let me know what are your queries with model driven app.
Just create one data source models, and from that model we are creating a model driven app.
That's yeah. So that's it. That's what model driven apps are.
And is there
Model completely no code solution. You don't do any type of codes in model driven application. You just create data source, and out of those data source, you will have your application.
So, sir, in the Power Apps, in the real time scenario, which is the real time work, model driven or canvas, or it's both?
No, it's depend upon the way you want to implement. We did an exercise, right, which was for campus management.
So in real time scenario, what is there? We want to know about. Is it canvas?
No, the scenario that we did, that was a real time, real time solution we created. So based out of that solution, we can think that based on requirements such as whether your team is sitting or operating it from a computer, or whether your team is mobile. So a mobile team, like someone who is a technician, would require a canvas application. Someone who is in the security, right? Whereas someone who is sitting and wanted to just have an interface to enter data into those tables, we'll go ahead with model-driven apps. So all customer relationship management scenarios will take help of the model-driven application. Right. Now, model-driven app is really, if you compare it with Canvas app, it is known as component focus approach, right? Because you add components, such as you can add chart, like you can add forms, you can add views, right over here. Let's do one more exercise. Let's create one more model-driven apps, which will give you an idea about how model-driven applications are, So this is for everyone. Let's create a data model and create a model-driven apps around it. In this data model, we will create a data model for a scenario which want to create. Let me just go back here, help you out with the scenario as well. So the first thing that we will do is we will design a solution. So do go ahead and read this information. I'm sharing it on the URL. No, just a moment. Yeah, I'm sharing it on the URL. Do go ahead and read this scenario. Let me know if you have any questions around it. Once done with the scenario, please let me know.
Yes, sir.
All right. So the scenario is very easy, right? You have to make an application. You have to make a data model based out of these aspects where you have building, problem report, and department, right? And then you do have to make two types of application. Now, according to it, which is the application used by what type of application would you make for group 1 and group 2? What type of application will use group 1 and group 2? Can you hear me?
This is something which is in this translation.
Okay. Tell me.
So according to scenario, there is a old poster was there of the 2019 candidate so that the company decided to find it out and to fix it. They get on one app.
No. Say it loudly.
So that the company decided to find out this old posters and to fix it so that they create one app for this. For that, what you are asking about group 1 and group 2, not relating.
Yeah, I asked about group 1 and group 2. At the bottom of that case study, there are two. We divide audiences into two groups. So what type of application would we make for group 1 and what type of application would we make for group 2?
I have just finished the scenario, but below I didn't read it. So
At task 2 is there where we divide them into group 1 and group 2. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
So identify who will be using the app. Right. So what type of app group 1 will we use? And what type of app group 2 will use?
So for group 1, it's a model-driven app.
Group ones are in organization like they can use only for employees, like internal employees, like who is working for the company. So group 1.
So group 1 is like whoever is working for the company and would like to report that issue.
Yes.
Right. So they need a very easy app, a mobile app, a mobility app. So I guess the Canvas application would be the best choice for those, right? Whereas model-driven apps would be applicable for one who want to administer that particular solution, administration, right? So I am an administrator and Abhishek is the employee of that organization. Abhishek will submit, okay, at this particular building 1, we have a tap water running. He will snap that out from his phone. He will use Canvas application for it. As soon as he will submit it from Canvas app, I would receive that request in model-driven apps. As an admin, I'll see that request in model-driven app and I will assign it to someone to work on. So you see the nature of business or the nature of job would let you decide what type of solution that you want to have.
Sir, in group 2, facilities staff and one in the department. That
Say that again.
what should in group 2, what should be the app? Means it's
Group 2
model-driven.
is the administrator group, right? So they will use model-driven application.
From group 1, the employees should capture the picture and upload it.
Yeah, group 1 will be available. Group 1 is all the employees. The application would be available to everyone. Group 2 is a model-driven application, and it will only be available to administrator.
We can say, sir, group 2, this admin they can handle. Otherwise, their employees can't be accessed, right, sir?
They are admin, otherwise they're also employee. Employee cannot access model-driven app. That's right.
Yes.
So let's build a model around it, and let's create an application around it. This will clear your understanding about how it is done.
Yeah.
I'm also sharing another link. Before that, any other question, please let me know. This will have step-by-step instruction for you to go ahead and create a model.
So, sir, here we create two applications. One is Canvas app, one is model driven app, and both are linked each other.
That's right. How they are linked? By Microsoft Dataverse.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start creating data model, and let's also start creating model driven app.
Then, sir, after that employee is seeing that problem and snap that picture and upload in that Canvas app, it will be going to the page. Means where that group 2 means model driven app or that Dataverse.
Dataverse, and that Dataverse table will be consumed by the model driven apps. That's how it will flow. So we are using Dataverse as our database.
Okay.
All right, let's get started with the creation of data model. We won't be able to complete it today, but we will at least try to complete data model and model driven apps.
So suppose that problem is seen by that administrative department, some employee who is the administrator of that model driven app, then you will directly assign that. No need of snapping that. You will directly assign that
Submit
person.
the issue from Canvas app. I as an administrator will see that request. I will assign it to someone who can fix it. Right.
Suppose you will see that issue, then suppose the administrator directly see that problem, then he will snap that photo and upload it, or otherwise directly assign that.
No. You are going to, who sees the problem? Employee sees the problem, right? Employee is going to snap that photo.
Okay, that is.
Yeah. All right, let's get started. Please keep me informed if there are any trouble at any particular step.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Sir, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm facing an issue. In create, there is no create option for the LOM and health care. Can I show my screen?
Yeah, sure.
So there should be create option here.
You are in publisher. You need to go in solutions.
Yes, I'm on the solution.
Within solution, you are in the publisher tab. You need to go to solution tab.
So there is no LOM and healthcare here.
Did you not create any solution?
Yes, sir. The first step, what it is written in that.
Create a
I
new
follow.
solution. No, there's no solution that you create. Click on new solution. Yeah, create now. Follow.
I have created that.
You created publisher, but you did not create a solution.
First, I create the solution, then new publisher, then I create LOM and healthcare. And after that, I save it.
No, it is not available. Did you create it on any other environment?
This is the environment.
Because I don't see any solution there. You might need to create that.
Okay, sir. I'm trying.
Okay. Try creating it.
Yes, sir.
Create a solution. You already have publisher. Don't create publisher. Attach that publisher to your solution. Where it asks you to select publisher. When you are creating a solution, it will ask you to create publisher.
Yes, sir. According to the document, first I have created the solution. Then I come to that publisher and in the publisher I
Yeah,
save it.
but I think unfortunately you were in the publisher tab. So you only created a publisher. I'm not sure what went wrong, but start that again. All right, Chandan, Abhishek, Sumit, and Rifaqat. I hope you guys are working on that, and
Yes,
you will
sir.
keep on working. Take your time. Any issues that you have encountered till now with the steps? Any issues that you would like to report?